Let me quickly cut across to some more updates here. Data from Department of Commerce has now revealed that India sold twice as much oxygen to the world during the first 10 months of fiscal 2021 as compared to the entire financial year before. In fact, this happened despite the fact that India was one of the 3 worst infected nations from coronavirus pandemic for a substantial portion of this period. More details on that. Amid the shortage here of oxygen within the country, an on-board oxygen technology used in Tejas, India's light combat aircraft, can be used for COVID patients amid the acute shortage of oxygen cylinders as India faces the worst crisis with a nationwide spike in cases like never before. Indian Railways is using Indian Army's rolling stock and has sent a special train to Visakhapatnam for the oxygen. 7 empty tankers will be reaching Vizag steel plant today and rush back to Mumbai after carrying the crucial critical supply of medical oxygen. RINL plant in Vizag is now active since the COVID-19 pandemic hit the country and playing a crucial role in supplying oxygen. Meanwhile, due to the shortage of oxygen in private hospitals in Lucknow, kin of patients were forced to arrange for medical oxygen on their own. People were seen standing in queues outside refilling center. In fact, they waited for their turn to get the oxygen as they faced a serious shortage.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.